style. No, all kidding aside, I am doing a video on what I eat in a day, but like realistic. What I realistically eat in a day, because I can't be bothered to just eat health all the time. Now, does that mean that all of these chips are gonna be consumed accordingly? No, it means that they were 3 for $11. And in this economy, we buy in bulk. So it's breakfast time. I usually try to eat breakfast around 10 o'clock in the morning because I'm doing intermittent fasting. So we are 10 o'clock on the nose. I kind of waver between two breakfasts, and I want to show you what they are in case it inspires you or makes you feel like, okay, she gets it. Sometimes I'll go for kind of a healthy routine, which is like a Greek yogurt. Just, I just use the Ziggies because that's, what there is. I do measure it out kind of by eye. It's 3/4 cup for 160 calories. I'll probably do about a half cup of this. And then on top of that, I'll do some strawberries. I don't feel kind of healthy. I feel like I'm quite hungry. I already had a coffee this morning because I do what we call a dirty fast, which is my coffee with a little bit of cream before my fasting window. For my kind of yummy, I need that good food. I'm just gonna do Dempster's English muffin. So for one muffin, it's 130 calories, and I'll either do this with butter or today I'm going for the crunchy peanut butter. Now that's a pretty small breakfast, being, let's call it 210 calories. I'll probably even go one step further and do either a half cup of cereal with a little bit of milk or maybe some yogurt and strawberries. Breakfast is one of those things that I do love. I have it every day, but it's really hard to know what to have that's gonna make you feel full going into lunchtime. Do you know what I mean? Like, I am planning on exercising today, so I always kind of take that into account. So let's make our English muffin. Okay, so I've decided I am gonna do a little bit of cereal as well. This is the Fiber One Honey Clusters. I really like this stuff. There's not much left. So for this stuff, with milk, because no one's gonna have dry cereal for breakfast, for the skim milk, it's about 220 calories for 1 cup. So 1 cup of cereal, 1 cup of milk. So I always do a half cup of cereal and like a dash of milk. Are you a person that likes heavy milk on their cereal or just like a dash? Just a dash. So it doesn't really affect me, but I'm also having the English muffin. So this is a breakfast that I would normally have. I don't feel guilty or bad about carbs. I don't really watch macronutrition. For now, I just watch kind of what I'm eating as far as calories goes, and I exercise, and I think that's enough for my head to handle. So you'll notice this day of what I eat is like very much calorie focused, not so much sugar focused. It's just easier for me to manage that way. Just gonna have my little English muffin, yeah. Peanut butter is a tough one. I've always been really heavy-handed on like the peanut butter, but you gotta be careful with peanut butter because she's only 1 tablespoon is 90 calories, and she'll add up quick. So I give like a very thin layer of peanut butter. I tend to, I do kind of put them on top of each other, which I know this is all like not new information. It's like, yeah, you're buttering an English muffin, we get it. But then it kind of melts into each other, and it, in my head, creates more peanut butter. And there she is on my grandma plate, because all of my dishes are currently dirty. My English muffin and my cereal. And like I said, the way I track this is I put it into my FitnessPal, and they'll kind of tell me where I'm at. And yeah, now we exercise. Anyways, okay. Okay, workout is sorted. That mini stepper, I'm telling you, it gets your calves. That's the first time since I purchased it last October where I've done like 45 minutes straight mini stepping and breaking 3 times for like weights. Typically what I'll use the mini stepper for is just like 20-minute bursts after other cardio or different exercises. But man, that thing can pack a punch. Whew. My heart rate's coming down. It's at 126, but she was up there. So I'm feeling good. I have some active minutes. I am hungry. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So what I'm gonna do is get cleaned up, have a quick shower off, and then make my lunch. Spoiler, it's gonna be a snack plate. Okay, it's lunchtime. I'm very excited for that. I'm just gonna make a snack plate like I mentioned. I always feel like I look the exact same as I normally do on here, but it's when you're exercising, it's just the same clothes over and over again. And can anyone else relate? You just feel like you're putting on your exercise stuff and then comfies, exercise stuff and comfies. It really is just a routine. Anyways, back to my snack plate. Let's start with a plate. Love that. And I'm just gonna assemble and then I'll take you on a tour. All right, let me introduce you to Snack Plate 101. Here it is. Ta-da! I mean, like, you can really even see it. Look at that. So I have some Hidden Valley ranch dipping sauce. I just used this week. This is so good. I don't ever buy it here in Canada, but OMG. And also, I just had to show you, they have a light version. So I didn't see that the last time. So I'm going to definitely be buying the light from now on. Love this. Right now we're using the full fat because we got to use it up. We don't waste. So I've got some pickles. Love these. I have some carrots to go with my ranch dipping sauce. I have some strawberries. Now here's the thing with health is if it's healthy but tastes horrible, I'm not gonna eat it. Even if it's good for me, I just will not eat it. So I did sprinkle my strawberries with a touch of sugar. They're quite sour. We have the carrots and dip. We have Swiss cheese crackers. I love these things. I know I've been eating these forever, so I know what the measurement is. I always throw a couple extra in for me. I have a portion of the Balderson's aged cheddar. This is about 90 calories. And then also something sweet, chocolate covered pretzels. Now you can only eat really 4 of these because they are high in calories, obviously. So about 4 of them are about 120 calories. But you know what? We treat ourselves around here. So if my memory serves me correct, which I'll kind of sum it all up at the end of the video, this little lunch here should be about 450 calories, give or take. I will obviously let you know after lunch when I put it into MyFitnessPal. It just works. I love it. I can piecemeal my calories. I get a little bit of something, a little bit of variety, sweet, salty. It's perfect. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. And I probably will check in after just to kind of give you an update on where I'm sitting at with my calories and how my exercise went, but I feel good. And if I'm hungry this afternoon, I won't hesitate to munch. I love a snack plate so much. There is nothing that brings me joy in this life more than a snack plate. I don't know if I'm the only one. I highly doubt it, but it was delicious. But I did want to give you a breakdown of my calories I've eaten so far today and show you the app I use. So this is MyFitnessPal. I don't pay for the premium, so I do get ads, as you can see, which is fine. We're used to ads now in today's world. So my calorie goal for the day is 1,690. My breakfast this morning was 450 calories. I did exercise, so that was about 250 calories of exercise that I earned back. I hate using the word earned, but I earned it back. And then my lunch ended up being 528 calories, which leaves me with 915 calories remaining for the day. Okay. So it is dinner time. I have been loving fish tacos lately, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you what I've been using for my said fish tacos. I've been using these from Farm Boy, and they're the crispy battered haddock tenders. These things, so for 3 tenders, it's 250 calories, 14 grams of fat, which isn't ideal, but I mean, they're battered fish, so pick your battles kind of thing. And you know what, if I'm counting them, it's all good. So this is the size of them. So like you can kind of see like the size of my hand. So there's one, here's like another one. So they're just like your typical, they look like chicken fingers basically. But I do 3 of those in the oven, which is preheating currently. I do these little tortillas. So here they are here. These are the Tia Rosa white flour tortillas. You can get the corn as well. I don't really like corn tortillas. I don't know if it's because I'm not like cooking them properly or warming them properly, but this is the size of them. the flour ones. Oh, they just smell so good. So for 2 of these, it's 150 calories. I obviously need 3 of them. So, you know, that's okay. That's not too bad. And then I have a half a lime left in the fridge. There we go. Obviously there's no calories in this. It just smells delicious. I love lime, honestly. Squeezing it over like fish. And actually, now that I'm talking to you, I remembered that I have these. So these are my little like guacamole cups that I've been loving, because I think spreading these on the tortilla makes all the difference. I just use 1 cup for 3 tortillas. There's 90 calories in 1 cup. So this is another really good idea for like a little snack if I want like some guacamole and like some Tostitos. I love that. I think that's just so neat. So I'm gonna do one of those as well. And then my hack, because, you know, we all love hacks, is I buy these salads here. So like this is just the maple bourbon Taylor Farms chopped kit. But I open it up and I steal, so there's all the guts that I haven't used yet, but I steal the coleslaw. So I'll take a cup of coleslaw or however much I feel out of here, and I'll toss it just a tiny bit with the ranch dressing, the Hidden Valleys. Oh my goodness, it is so good. And this meal, that's the other thing to add, is like, it takes like 20 minutes to assemble, but you have beautiful fish tacos when you're done. My tummy's growling just like talking about it. I will see you in a minute. Okay, that was dinner, except I forgot to record a video of it. So I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. It was incredible. I've had it before, obviously. This isn't like a new thing for me, but every single time it just, and also look how professional that looks. So yeah, highly recommend if you can get your mitts and you like fish, but if you can get your mitts on some tenders, ooh, chef's kiss. So I have the final numbers from what I eat in a day. Dinner was a total of 732 calories. So of course the shredded vegetables are basically nothing. The white flour tortillas are about 225 calories for 3. Lime obviously is nothing. Your crispy battered haddock tenders for 3 of them, as we said before, it's 250 calories. The ranch dressing is 130 calories, but if you use the light version, it's only 60 calories, which is really awesome. And then a guacamole cup, which is 90. So I ended up coming in at a total food calorie, intake of 1,710, but I exercised today. So I have 183 calories remaining. So if I did want a sweet treat, that probably would fit in perfectly. I hope you found some inspiration or even just some acknowledgement of, you're not alone. If you don't do those fancy chopped salads, you're not alone. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and like and comment. And I'm feeling really good about everything. I have some videos coming up in the month of May, a video every week, might I add. Yeah, I'm excited to just continue to be healthy and happy. And I hope wherever this video finds you, you're feeling the same way. So until next time, we will see you then. Bye.